In marine applications and harsh environments, metal piping isn't just aging, it's on a countdown to failure. Corrosion doesn't just degrade performance, it compromises the structural integrity of your entire installation. When a manifold fails, your whole operation hits a dead stop. It's time to transition to polymer. But standard off-the-shelf fittings are often too bulky or unreliable for mission-critical systems. Generic isn't an option. Custom-engineered solutions that merge intelligent pipe routing with advanced manufacturing is the key. The result is a professional refurbishment that integrates the full physical and chemical advantages of modern polymer technology into your existing footprint. Achieve peak performance with plastic piping. INSTAFLEX, the electrofusion system in polybutylene for seamless, leak-proof joints. Butterfly Valve 565, state-of-the-art flow control meeting full PN16 pressure ratings in a lightweight plastic housing. Move from outdated metal to high-performance engineered plastic today. Ready to upgrade? Click the link in the description. Stay tuned so you never miss a drop.